Hello, this is Dr. Kilgore from Dr. Kilgore's World with another math video. Our learning goal in this video is I can divide by one-digit divisors. The guiding question is, how can I perform operations with division? So we have quite a bit of vocabulary for this lesson. Make sure that you've got your notes ready so that you can get this vocab down. The first is dividend. Dividend is the number that you are dividing. We have divisor. It's the number you are dividing by. And then we have quotient. It's the number that is the result of the division. In other words, the answer. So if you look down at the bottom, I've kind of set it up to help give you a visual. The dividend always goes inside of the bracket, the divisor on the bottom outside, and the quotient is the answer, so it goes on the top. So I've got some strategies for division success. First, use compatible numbers to estimate. Then divide, multiply, subtract, and compare. And keep going until you have a zero or a remainder. So let's go ahead and pull up some practice work here and see the process of dividing these numbers. So let's start with 270 divided by 9. Well, we start by using compatible numbers. So I look at these first two numbers here, 27. I know 9 will go into 27 3 times. So 3 times 9 is 27. Bring my 0 down. And then I've got 9 going into 0. So if I put a 0 up here at the top, I end up with zeros down here, and my division is complete because I end up with 0 as an answer. So let's try this again with a little bit more difficult number this time. Let me clear this out. Let's try this one. 762 divided by 5. I know 5 will go into 7 one time. Subtract right here. 7 subtract 5 is 2. Bring my 6 down. 6. So we've got 5 needing to go into 26. I know that will go 5 times multiply 5 times 5 is 25. I do my subtraction and I end up with 1. Take my 2 and bring it down. 5 will go into 12 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. And I end up with a remainder of 2. There we go. Let's look at just another one together. Let's see if we can get this division going. Let's go 131 divided by 2. 2 will go into 13 about 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. 13 subtract 10 leaves you 3. Oh wait, hold on, I see an error. 3 is bigger than 2. Let's scrap this one and start fresh and get that error out of there. Even teachers make math errors that we have to go back and check. 131 divided by 2. I went 5 last time, so let's go 6 times 2, 12. Subtract, and I get 1 here. Bring my 1 down, and I've got 11. Let's go 5 this time. 5 times 2 is 10. 1. That is a remainder of 1. I hope that this is starting to make sense and helping you remember how to do division with 1-digit divisors. Let's try one more problem together. Let's try 413 divided by 5. 5 won't go into 4, so I have to go into 41. 5 times 8 is 40, so 8 times 5, 40. Subtract it. I get a 1. I take my 3 and bring it down. 5 will go into 13 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, and I get 3. So I've got a remainder of 3. So I hope this division process is looking a little simpler. We will practice definitely more in class. Let's wrap this video up and prepare you for class tomorrow. And look, I didn't change the end slide. So make sure that you understand the process of dividing with 1 divisor. Make sure your notes are complete. If it is still a little bit fuzzy, see me in class tomorrow. Remember, we'll start with a quiz to see where you are with division. So have a wonderful night, and I will see you in class tomorrow.